Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get this SHEIN coupon code. This is going to be working for existing users, and basically what you can do is save $50 to $100 off your next order on SHEIN. This is completely for free, shipped to you for free, and I'm going to show you guys just how to actually get this. And yes, this is completely real. I'm going to show you now how to get this. So what we're going to do is go to this coupon site that's pretty much secret, but a lot of people are using. I'm going to explain how it works. It's going to be different to a normal coupon site where you just get the code. You're going to have to do something for the code, but the code's going to get you high value coupons, and these are 100% going to work. I'm going to show you me doing this right now. So what I'm going to do is turn on my screen recording. I'm going to do this on an iPhone. This works on Androids as well. So just basically do it wherever you want. Okay, so what you want to do is come to this website called www.foxycoupons.com. So type that in, www.foxy, and then coupons, coupons.com. So www.foxycoupons.com. Once you guys are here, you're going to be on the coupon dealer site, and you're just going to come to the top, type in SHEIN, okay? And then you're going to find the $50 app promo code, as you guys can see. Just press on show coupon code. This is completely normal. Now, there are a limited number of these codes left. Currently, at the time recording, 336. There might be more, there might be less, I'm not sure, but go check it while you can. Okay, as you guys can see, here is the code, but it is locked. This is the part I'm talking about. So what you're going to do is press on get full code. It's going to be different to your normal coupon site. It's going to take you here, and it's going to say 2 of these need to be completed to unlock your code. These apps sponsor coupon dealers, and we could not provide our coupons without them. So what they want you to do is you basically go ahead and get, basically complete 2 sponsored app things. This is completely for free. You complete this under 2 minutes, and I'll show you basically what it is. So you tap on it, you press the unlock, and it's going to take you to a page like this. And it's going to say, basically what they want you to do is get their app off the App Store. These apps are completely for free. They don't cost you anything, but it wants you to type something in. So it says press the red button, you type in that word, and then you get that app, and then you get it, and then open it. So it literally is that easy. I'm going to show you me doing that right now, and just to show you how easy this is. Okay, so we type in the word it wanted. Yours might be different to me, so make sure you read the instructions on whichever one you do. Then you find the one you want, okay, or the one that it's asking. Okay, and then it goes ahead and downloads. Then you simply open it up, and that's going to count as one of them. So it literally is that easy, and that's literally step 3, install it and open it. And that's counted as one. It's literally that easy. Now you're going to do for one more of them, so you can do this app as well. And like I said, this is completely for free, so easy to do. So it's in here, wants us to get this one and type in that word there, so we're going to do that right now. Same thing, you just open it up, type it in, okay? Then you'd find it, there it is there, I've already got it, so you just press open, and then that's going to count as your second one. So basically now, once you've completed 2 of these, then your code is going to unlock to get your free $50 SHEIN coupon code. So now you simply just press on the back button, and now your code is going to be revealed. If you don't complete them, it will not unlock, guys. I've tried it, they will not unlock. You need to make sure you're reading the instructions, completing them, and then you're going to get your coupon code to then go ahead and redeem on SHEIN. It is 100% working right now. Go do this right now. Enter in the code, save $50 to $100 off. You can enter in multiple codes. It all is for free. That's how easy it is. Get this while this can. It's already gone down 2 as of the time recording this, at 334 now. So go do this quickly before this ends out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a like if it worked for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.